Hello, welcome to Community Signs Part 3. We are going to be talking about 4 more signs. We are going to be talking about the do not walk sign. We are going to be talking about the women's and men's restroom signs. And we are going to be talking about exit signs. So, the do not walk sign. You will find this on crosswalks near traffic lights. It is telling you that, traffic is crossing, do not walk. Sometimes it might be spelled out like this, do not walk, or sometimes it might be a hand. If it has a countdown over here, it's telling you how much time you have to get across the crosswalk before you need to stop. And so that is the do not walk sign. Okay, sign number 2. This is the sign for the women's restroom. You will find this on doors notifying you that this is the women's restroom. Many times it will also have this right here, which means it is wheelchair accessible. There might be a larger stall in there. And so that is the women's restroom sign. All right, and then this is the men's restroom. This one will also be, on doors or next to doors. And it is signaling that this is the men's restroom. And this can also be accompanied with the wheelchair accessible sign in there. All right. And then finally, we have the exit sign. This one is interesting because it can be either red or green, and actually the color does not matter. It may be red or green depending on the building you're in or the state you're in. So either way, red or green, it just means exit. The color does not matter. It means you can leave the building through this door. All right, so now we're going to do our activity using signs. We're also going to be using signs that we learned in parts 1 and 2 for review. So let's get started. So go ahead and pause the video. Tell me what sign you might find here. Is it the women's restroom sign? Is it the walk sign? Or is it the red light sign? If you chose the women's restroom sign, you would be correct. There isn't a traffic light out here, so that one doesn't make sense. And then the walk sign doesn't make sense either, so the one that makes the most sense would be the women's restroom. Okay, go ahead and pause the video. Tell me what sign you might find here. Is it the exit sign, the red light sign, or the school zone sign? If you chose the exit sign, you would be correct. We are not outside, so the red light sign does not make sense. And the school zone sign doesn't make sense either. We don't know if we're in a school. This is also not outside. So the exit sign makes the most sense. It would normally be above this door up here, notifying you that this is how you can leave the building. Okay, so what sign might you find here? Would it be the women's restroom sign, a bike lane sign, or the do not enter sign? Go ahead and pause and let me know. If you chose the bike lane sign, you would be correct. So this right here is a bike lane. Only bikes are allowed in this lane. The women's restroom does not make sense. I do not see a restroom in this photo. And the do not enter also does not make sense. So this is a bike lane. All right, last one. What kind of sign might you find here? Is it the do not walk sign, the hospital sign, or the bike lane sign? All right, if you chose the do not walk sign, you would be correct. You can kind of see it in the back of the picture right here. So that was a little bit of a giveaway, but this person is waiting to cross the crosswalk, and it has a do not walk sign. I do not see a hospital nearby, so this one does not work. Bike lane, you could possibly make an argument for bike lane, but I don't really see one in this picture. So the correct answer is the do not walk sign. All right, and that is all I have for today. Thanks.